end of 70s, the Porsche 934, 935 are very, very popular. The RC model and the radio control model and the some model. And Japan, not RC, toy manufacturer or model manufacturer, IMAI, they build this 12 scale radio control. And something very interesting, at the same time, Tamiya already got those vehicles, and the body are not exactly the same, because the Porsche 935, they got many different type body. And this one, the most interesting is original, they give you one single 380 motor, and you can use twin 380, or you can use 540 big motor. The body are very nice. The only something I don't like is the rear axle, no differential. This is the only problem. But for today, I like it very much, because the rear one, nearly 1000 horsepower, no any limited space differential, can be possible to finish the race. So it is no differential. Jackie X told me this. I cannot believe, but this is true. So today in museum, if you see the Porsche 935, it can push and turn. That means the gearbox differential, not original. The body is very, very nice, Lexan body, and very lightweight, can for race. Free gear ratio, you can choice. Many small accessories. Most are metal. It is still very, very good quality. Even the rubber tie is still soft. You cannot believe. And this is the chassis and the antenna. These body are very, very nice compared to Kyosho. Very good shape. You can see it like a display model, lot of small parts. You need to do by yourself, and you need some simple toys to finish the job. The select tie, the front axle, the steering arm, the rubber bumper put in front, chassis, metal chassis, rear axle. The only things, this is the rear chassis. The only things I don't like is no differential, you can see. Just one gear, and it got many different ratio choice, from 5.8 to 1, 4.4 to 1, 5.5, 3.5 to 1, 5.4 to 1, 5 to 1, 4.1 to 1, 3.8 to 1, 3.5 to 3.25 to 1, and 3 to 1. Very interesting. They have so many gear ratio, because you can choose one single 380 motor or twin 380 motor or one big motor. All are not including in this kit. You need to buy by yourself. This is, they tell you how single motor or two motor or big motor working. It is a little bit complicated, but possible. And you can buy the Nike battery. They give you a button to put the Nike battery, and they even give you not only body sticker, this sticker for you to painting inside. To be honest, this is a very nice kit. Compared to Tamiya, this is much better, because lightweight body, and not easily broken. They may have used display model body to put on a radio control car. This is why I still got many chassis but no body, because the body already broken, almost like a real car. Any light hitting, it will broken immediately. Every boy want at that time. Me too. And then you can see they give you all the sticker. And anything broken, you can buy from them, from the toy maker, model maker. You can see the body, how much? 2,500 yen. The rear tire, how much? Front tire, how much? The gear ratio, different gear ratio. The steering, the bumper, front and rear bumper, the speed control, the chassis, the rear axle motor bracket, the complete rear axle. They suggest you use 2-channel radio control. At that time, it is really fun to drive. But to be honest, car without differential, very, very difficult to drive. Especially is for competition. Thank you for watching.